Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to mark all as read in Yahoo Mail. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Yahoo Mail application, which of course I have done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you get the Yahoo Mail app? It's pretty simple. You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. And in the search bar, type Yahoo Mail. After doing that, follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, click on the open button you're going to find, and that's going to take you right into the sign-up page for Yahoo Mail. In the sign-up page, you're going to be required to either log in or to sign up by creating a new account. Log in using an existing account and sign up using creating a new account. So once you're done signing in, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Yahoo Mail. So now we're here to quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to mark all as read in Yahoo Mail. So if you get a mail and you want to mark all the mails as read, even though you have not read the message, this is what you're going to do. So hold down on the mail, and at the top icon, you can find the select icon. So go ahead, the select all option. It's a hyperlink in there. So go ahead and click on select all, and all the mails are going to be selected. So you can select all. If you click on select all the mails in your account will be selected. So let's say you want to deselect all and choose the specific ones that you want to mark as read. So select that and select that. Now these messages have been opened and read. So if you check over the bottom corner, you can see a couple of icons which include delete, archive, move, and mark as unread. So I'm going to click on this mark as unread, and this is what it's going to show if it is not read. So for you to mark as read, long press, check the boxes right next to them, and check the bottom corner, and you see mark as read. Now click mark as read. All the messages that you could not read will now be marked as read. Now we can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.